Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, July the 6th, July the 7th, 2024. It's today actually Saturday, and I've already solved this evening two puzzles, the 4-star Sudoku and a killer Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and one of these binaries. Yeah, let me start with this binary puzzle with 4 stars. Binary puzzle, 4 stars, and this will be number, let me zoom this in, 8854. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Let me do this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 5 6 26 20 digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's here. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 5 1's we have here, so rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double one. Oh, here between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an one. Double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes an one. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes an one. 5 1's we have here. So the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1. Oh, wait. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1's. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O. Oh wait, first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. That box should be no then. Double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. Okay, between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So that's the O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So that's the O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 1's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so if I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be 1. Between the ones comes an O. If I place the 5th O in this row here, then we still have 4 ones here in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Number 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes a 1. If I place the 5th O in this row here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Number 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Wow. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.